This is Terry from Gunslinger Firearms and Gear. I'm out here with SG3 from The Hide, and we're going to do an unboxing and assembly of a new rubber dummy target. See what all we have here. We have kill shot packets. I think these go in the back side of the target and
nice.
Should make a red mist whenever they're hit.
Yeah.
Zenser Bullseye Primer for all surfaces. This is supposed to coat and seal the target, and it's like a reset. It's
Very
supposed
good.
to seal up the wounds.
All right. I have to say, I was pretty surprised at the actual heft of the target itself. I tell you, it's got some weight to it.
Oh yeah, he's pretty heavy.
Yeah.
Let's take a look at the back side there.
Yeah.
And this is one of the Rubber Dummies kits, and it comes with the torso and the metal stand for it. Everything in the box is included for, I had a 15% discount coupon code.
Very good.
And it was about $207 shipped, I think.
Nice.
And you can find these at rubberdummies.com.
Yeah, one good thing about these guys is that, you know, something like this, you can shoot countless times. I mean, it's something that you're not going to have to replace. So if you got, especially if you've got your own range, or a range, you know, that's fairly private, you know, you can invest in one of these and have a target for a really long time.
Yeah, I've seen people shooting these with everything up to like a 50 caliber.
Nice.
I'm not going to try to destroy this one, but I may hit it with some slugs.
Yeah, just see how well it takes it. Yeah.
What else we got in the box? It's the mount hem.
Oh, that's the stand. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, don't get much easier than that.
No.
Screws together.
Yeah, this is threads in here. It's the top piece of the stand.
Yeah, that's a pretty good idea right there, guys. Look what they've done from the factory. They've welded, looks like a couple of 3/8 pieces of steel right there to help protect that.
Yeah, because you know that's going to get hit.
Yeah, protect that threading there. So that's a really good idea.
And here's the base plate.
Yeah, easy to do. Even if you're going to take it to a you know, a public range or something like that allows this sort of thing, you know, easy assemble and easy disassemble to take it back home. Don't get much easier than that.
The dummy itself has a couple of holes here in the bottom that will fit these posts.
So what, about 20 seconds to put that together?
Oh yeah, if that.
Yeah, so I mean, that's perfect. Very nice.
Well, let's spray them up and see what happens when we hit them with some stuff.
All right.
All right, we got Mr. Rubber Dummy primed up, and this guy is made out of a very dense recycled rubber, and fully assembled, everything comes up to be, I'm guessing, probably around 5'8", 5'9". You know, it's a regular human size. Okay, these kill shot packets are filled with like a chalky substance, and you just use thumbtacks to pin them to the back side of the dummy. So we're gonna set some of these up, and then we'll figure out what we're gonna shoot it with.
Yep, that's all there is to it. Just like that.
primer dries pretty quick.
Yeah, it does.
I expected it to still be wet.
Right.
It's almost like latex.
Yeah, yeah. All right.
Yeah, we'll throw one more in.
Yeah. All right.
Right now, SG3 is just sighting in so that it can be sure to hit the target. And he's shooting a 308 Savage suppressed with a YHM can.
We should be good.
All right, we got Mr. Rubber Dummy loaded up with some more of the kill shot packets, and we're gonna go up and take a few shots and see how many we hit. All right, after some shots from the 308, I like the fact that you can really see where you're hitting on
Definitely,
here.
yeah.
Doesn't appear to really be damaging the rubber or anything at all.
You really can't even hardly see the actual projectile spot of impact, really, other than just a little tiny pinhole. So I can definitely see these things lasting a very long time.
Yeah, I'm very pleased with it. And as I said before, you can check these out on rubberdummies.com. I think after the discount that I got, this one was $207 shipped, and 4 days from payment to door.
Yeah, it's not bad.
So
not bad at all. One thing we did talk about was the little chalk packs that it comes with. For those of you that do end up using it a lot or something like that, to get a better visual of whenever you hit it, we noticed that the chalk packs weren't quite full all the way. Save you from having to buy them online. Just get you some really tiny Ziploc baggies. I'm sure you can get them at the hardware or craft store or something like that, and just get some chalk line chalk and fill them up a pretty good ways, and I bet you'd really be able to see the hit visualized a lot better.
yeah.
But overall, I'm really impressed with it. Yeah.
Well, check us out on The Hide, Gunslinger Firearms and Gear on Facebook and YouTube. Check out our videos, give us likes, subscribe to our channels.
Shoot straight, fellas.
Thanks.